Hey guys, welcome to back my channel. I'm Lubna. Today I will let you know a secret.
Why it is so hard to stick to a diet?
A lot of people try big change at once and miss a small. The secret is living healthy easily is using simple hack and triggers. Japanese easily stay healthy by using simple health hacks. We want to make eating very fun, not something you have to do. So this video will show you dieting doesn't need to be hard. These hacks will not only make your body healthy, but also stimulate your cooking process, so save your time and enrich your life. Let's take a peek Japanese health hacks. The first hack is to keep healthy food you can season.
The quickest way to live healthier to create an environment that makes it easy. People tend to eat what they see first when they open their fridge and pantry.
So if you make healthy food clearly visible in your living space, you can change your habit without much effort. In Japanese home, it's common to find natto, tofu, and fruits ready to eat. For example, if you want to snack healthily, keep fruits or nuts on your desk. My method is to always have boiled eggs, pickles, and sweet potatoes, prepared and placed where they are easy to see in the fridge.
I also always divide nuts into small containers. This is very effective in preventing overeating.
The second hack is use small plate. Japanese people often use small bowl for their meals,
Adjusting the amount and balance of food they eat.
Human judge things visually.
Food placed on a small plate appear more voluminous. Comparing both, the difference becomes clear. Using large plates tend to increase the amount, leading to eating more as a result. This small change can lead to significant effect over a year.
Third hack is eat moderately. Eat under 80% full and you won't need a doctor. It's Japanese long-standing proverb.
腹八分目 comes from Okinawa, a blue zone known for its rich in longevity, health, and happiness. It advises stopping eating when feeling 80% full. However, it can be challenging to actually do this. I feel the same way.
The hack is to eat 3 regular meals a day to avoid excessive hunger. And if you are using your phone or doing other tasks while eating, stop and enjoy your meal with all 5 senses. Fourth hack is chew your food well. How much do you chew when you eat?
In Japan, children are taught from young age by parents to chew your food well.
This simple and free habit surprisingly helps you not eat too much by making you feel full faster and improving digestion. It says the fullness signal to the brain is activated about 20 minutes after you start eating.
If you finish your meal in 5 minutes, you might still feel hungry for the next 15 minutes and end up eating more. So you may wonder how much you should chew. Experts suggest that chewing until the food becomes paste-like is good benchmark. Chewing each bite slowly enhances nutrient absorption and improves digestive health.
Fifth hack is freezing ingredient.
Freezing food not only extends its shelf life, saving money, but also lower barrier to cooking healthy homemade meals since you can use ingredients straight from freezer. Additionally, it speeds up cooking and flavor absorption. I often freeze vegetable, mushroom, and fish. For ginger, first grate it and put in the Ziploc bag.
Using parchment paper can keep things less messy. Then remove the air, flatten it, and freeze. For vegetable cut into easy-to-eat sizes can be stored Ziploc bag and used for about a month. Similarly, wrapping fish like salmon in plastic wrap before freezing can also make it last for a month. Sixth hack is mago wa yasashi.
Mago wa yasashi is Japanese term highlighting 7 essential food types of daily diet. It's made from the first syllable of this food, promoting a balanced diet for good health. Ma stands for beans, essential for building tissue and cells. Go stands for sesame, known for strengthening bones and purifying the skin. Wa stands for seaweed, rich in calcium and dietary fiber. Ya stands for vegetable, diverse in type and benefits. Sa stands for fish, crucial for blood vessel and brain health. Shi stands for mushroom, containing fiber and prevent diseases. I stands for tubers, versatile and nutritious. By focusing on these 7 types of ingredients, one can enjoy well-balanced diets promotes overall health.
Seventh hack is eating more fish.
Japanese are among world top fish consumers. Fatty meat, ham, and sausage contain saturated fat that can increase bad cholesterol. Eating fish-rich omega-3 fatty like salmon and mackerel not only help control calorie intake, but also offer superior health benefit over meat, such as reducing the risk of heart disease.
8th hack is use microwave.
Japanese people make extensive use of microwave cooking to significantly cut down on cooking time. Moreover, since microwave can cook without oil, they are ideal for preparing low-calorie meals. Here, I'd like to share some of microwave cooking hacks. For instance, to drain tofu, simply wrap in the kitchen paper, place it on a plate, and heat it for about 1.5 minutes. One of my favorite methods is prepare a piece of parchment paper and place your favorite vegetable and mushroom on it. This time I added broccoli and onion. Add salmon, and then season with soy sauce, white wine or sake. Finally, put butter on top. Wrap everything in parchment paper and secure both ends. And then microwave for 7 minutes. This results in easy and healthy steamed salmon dish.
9th hack is taking catechin.
In Japan, drinking green tea daily is common. Research has shown that catechin has health benefits in reducing body weight and body fat. They also have antioxidant properties that may prevent aging and reduce the risk of heart disease and cancer. Besides green tea, catechin are found in oolong tea and chocolate, red wine, fruits like apricot and cherries. So regularly consuming catechin provides various health benefits.
10th hack is prepare healthy snack ideas.
For a time when you're craving something but not necessarily hungry, it's helpful to have few snack ideas ready. The first idea is fresh fruits or frozen fruits. Eating fruits instead of cookie or ice cream cut down on sugar and fat, letting you enjoy satisfying amount for reducing calorie intake. I eat fruits and sweet potatoes every day as a snack. In Japan, you can easily find frozen fruits at the convenience store, making it simple to grab healthy snacks. Another my favorite recipe is topping Greek yogurt with cottage cheese, adding bananas or your favorite fruits, and finish with cinnamon and pinch of salt and honey. It's truly delicious.
11th hack is eating order.
Switching the order your meal can help prevent weight gain. To avoid glycation, start with vegetable and protein. This slows down sugar absorption and prevents spike in blood sugar levels. Eating carbohydrates at the beginning of the meal leads to easier sugar absorption, increasing the likelihood of weight gain. On the other hand, dietary fiber in vegetables reduces sugar absorption. Eating protein first slows digestion and trigger hormones that help regulate insulin levels. So save carbohydrate for last to keep blood sugar levels stable.
12th hack is cooking a rice cooker.
The rice cooker is not just for cooking rice for Japanese people. If you have rice cooker, you can steam vegetables like sweet potatoes or easy prepare meals with minimal setup, just adding ingredients and seasoning. The way you cook can change the calories and nutrients of food. Cooking in rice cooker sealed environment helps retain water-soluble vitamins and minerals. So I always steam a lot of sweet potato in my rice cooker and keep them in the fridge. It's also great for various recipes. Check out the video for details on several rice cooker recipes.
13 hacks is eat early.
Japanese people typically eat dinner between 6 and 7 p.m. Eating early can boost metabolism and help you stay healthy. Having good breakfast also helps control hunger throughout the day. If an early dinner is held, aim to eat 3 to 4 hours before bedtime to improve sleep and digestion. So if you sleep at 11 p.m., it's best to eat by 8 p.m.
14 hacks in making soup. Japanese people often include miso soup as part of their meals.
The great thing about soup is that they fill the stomach easily and quickly provide feeling of fullness. It also allows for intake of large amount of vegetable at once. Consuming a lot of dietary fiber from these vegetables can help prevent overeating. Making soup is not difficult. You just need to put your favorite ingredient and seasoning in a pot and let it simmer. I always make cabbage and onion miso soup to add my meals.
15 hacks is expressing gratitude.
Japanese people say itadakimasu before eating to express gratitude and respect for the food. Whether dieting or in everyday life, it's important to appreciate your meals, focus on and enjoy every bite. Use all your senses to experience what you are eating. If you find yourself eating impulsively due to stress, it might be a sign that your body craving dopamine. In such cases, try taking a walk, soaking in a warm bath, or chatting with your friend and family to distract yourself. Let's continue to enjoy a rich and healthy diet together.
Hopefully today's video gave you some fresh inspiration. I hope you can incorporate these healthy hacks into your daily life. For healthy life, it's important not to let stress build up and utilize hacks and systems. I'd really appreciate if you could give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And don't miss out more healthy recipes and tips. I'll see you again next week. Bye!